Alright. Okay, so today, as what I told you last time, that we're going to have review and quizzes and activity for today's lesson, right? And last time we tackled this one about the senses. Okay, so again, we have 5 senses. What are those? Give me one. The sense we've learned last time. What are those senses? Give me one. We talked last time. Okay, sense of smell. Sense of touch. Sense of touch.
Sense of sound.
Sight. Okay. Sense of dawn. What is sound? North and south. Sight. What else? Everyone. Sense of, okay. So we have sight, sound, smell, sense of touch, and sense of very good. Sense of taste. Okay. Now, we're going to describe today how